Tenacious. The word tenacious means not giving up easily. If someone is tenacious, they keep trying even when things are hard. They don't quit. Synonyms: determined, persistent, stubborn, tough, focused. Antonyms: lazy, weak-willed, undetermined, quitter, careless. Example: even though Rahul failed the test 2 times, he was tenacious and kept studying until he passed. Dire. The word dire is an adjective that means causing or involving great fear or suffering, dreadful, terrible. It can also indicate trouble, disaster, misfortune, or something urgent or desperate. Synonyms: dreadful, horrible, frightful, ghastly, horrendous. Antonyms: wonderful, excellent, great, fantastic, superb. Example: the doctor delivered the dire diagnosis, explaining that without immediate surgery, the chances of recovery were slim. Foster. The word foster means to care for, support, and help something or someone grow. It can be used in different ways. Whether it's a person, a relationship, or even a dream. It can also be used for ideas, feelings, or skills. Synonyms: strengthen, develop, cultivate, raise temporarily, nurture. Antonyms: hinder, ignore, suppress, oppose, destroy. Example: the kind teacher Diksha always tries to foster a love for reading among her students by telling interesting stories and letting them choose their favorite books. Assassinate. To murder an important or prominent person, usually by surprise attack, for political or religious reasons. The target is typically a prominent figure like a political leader, president, prime minister, monarch, a high-ranking official, a religious leader, or another significant public figure. The term is generally not used for the killing of ordinary citizens. Synonyms: kill, eliminate, execute, slay, dispatch. Antonyms: protect, guard, rescue, defend, spare. Example: the secret group made a dangerous plan to assassinate the president because they strongly disagreed with his new laws. And they believed that removing him from power was the only way to change the government. Heinous. Part of speech adjective. Heinous describes something that is shockingly wicked, evil, or morally terrible. It's used for actions or crimes that are especially cruel or horrifying. Think of the word heinous when you hear about a very serious or horrible crime, something that makes people feel shocked or disgusted. Synonyms: atrocious, horrific, abominable, monstrous, evil. Antonyms: noble, virtuous, admirable, honorable, respectable. Example: the court sentenced the man to life in prison for the heinous crimes he committed against innocent children. Which shocked the entire nation and sparked a demand for stronger laws to protect the helpless. Licious. Licious is not a full word by itself. In formal English, it comes from the second part of the word delicious, which means something that tastes really good. In casual speech, music or pop culture, people take licious and attach it to other words to make them sound fun, exciting or attractive. It means very good, very attractive, or super tasty, depending on what you are talking about. Synonyms: tasty, gorgeous, stunning, trendy, fashionable. Antonyms: tasteless, bland, gross, boring, dull. Example: after a long, tiring day at school, I came home to the smell of my mom's homemade chocolate cake, and when I took my first bite, it was so unbelievably chocolicious that I closed my eyes and smiled, feeling like all my stress and worries had melted away in that rich, sweet flavor. Mayhem. Part of speech. Now, mayhem means a situation full of confusion, chaos, or violent disorder. In old legal language, mayhem meant seriously injuring someone, especially damaging a body part, so the person couldn't defend themselves. Synonyms: havoc, pandemonium, anarchy, uproar, commotion. Antonyms: calm, peace, harmony, tranquility, control. Example: The protest started peacefully, but as people got angrier and some began breaking things, police struggled to control the mayhem. The situation became worse and turned into a riot. So more police were called, and the city had to set a curfew. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting.